Wel, mae taith yn sefyll allan achos mae'n rhoi arian I bobl ambell waith gyda ddim digon o arian I deithio ac I cael profiadau maen nhw ddim yn mynd I gael heb cael ar raglen taith. So dyna pam mae taith yn pwysig.
I think that's one of the most amazing features of the Taith initiative is it allows everybody, anywhere, to be able to access this particular opportunity. And I think young people, particularly nowadays, really would benefit from this type of thing. So it was amazing to be able to take 6 young people who had no knowledge of the wider world out of their comfort zone into somewhere which was safe, that they learned, they grew, and they developed some amazing relationships.
Fyswn i'n dweud bod taith yn brofiad anhygoel I unrhyw un, oherwydd mae'n galluogi pobl fysa ddim yn cael y cyfle I fynd fel arall y bosib, I gael mynd I rannau gwahanol o'r byd a profi diwylliant a ieithoedd hollol newydd, ac oedd o'n brofiad ffantastig neu drysori am byth.
Taith will have a legacy of supporting thousands of young people in Wales to be able to apply their learning to our country. And it will matter to them individually. This will be a once-in-a-lifetime education opportunity that will stay with them for life. So that confidence, that self-esteem, those ambitions will stay with them. But it will also help them to influence other young people and be influential to their nation here in Wales.
Dwi'n meddwl effaith I ni fel mudiad I gychwyn efo mae o'n golygu bod ni'n gallu rhoi cyfleon I bobl ifanc bregus, ond yn bwysicach yr effaith ar y bobl ifanc yma da ni'n gefnogi, fysa nhw byth yn cael cyfle I wneud hyn fel arall. Llawer o'n nhw'n mynd drwy pethau fel digartrefedd, iechyd meddwl gwael, dim cefnogaeth teulu, dim llawer o addysg ac ati, felly mae'n golygu bod nhw'n gallu agor eu llygaid i'r byd. A gyfer pethau sy'n mynd ymlaen yn y byd ar y funud, mae'n hynod bwysig bod ni'n rhoi y cyfleon yma I nhw cael rhaid eu barn ac edrych ar diwylliannau newydd, ffordd newydd o fyw. Mae jyst yn agor eu drysau I gymaint o bethau yn symud ymlaen.
The legacy of Taith is just it's about Wales being such an innovative nation, about having this idea, this model, and other countries from all over the world looking at that model and recognising Wales as a place that is outward looking and also very welcoming.
I ni wedi gweld lot o ddysgwyr o'r colegau addysg bellach yn cymryd rhan mewn symudedd sydd erioed wedi gwneud o'r blaen. Ond credu bod y ffocws mae taith wedi rhoi ar wneud yn siŵr bod y cyllid yn cyrraedd dysgwyr sydd fel arfer yn cael eu tan-gynrychioli mewn symudedd tramor wedi bod yn rhywbeth really pwysig i'r sector addysg bellach.
I think massive, and I think maybe more than anybody imagined at the time. I think as the programme's kind of embedded, it's grown and it's developed, it's been reshaped, and I think, you know, the Taith as an organisation have listened to the people who've participated in it, been really responsive to make changes, to open up more opportunities, and I think that kind of lasting impact, just in terms of the numbers of people who have engaged with it, the range of organisations, and really those, if you look at those individuals who have engaged, they may never have had those opportunities had it not been for Taith.
Wel, ni'n mor falch yng Nghymru a popeth sydd yn unigryw I ni yma yng Nghymru a iaith wrth cwrs ond popeth arall sy'n mynd gyda'r Cymru. So mae'r Taith wedi rhoi cyfle I ni I ddangos wyneb Cymru i'r byd ac I ddangos I bobl eraill sut yw pethau unigryw I ni a pam mae'r Cymru, gwlad bach, yn dal I fod gwlad sy'n eisiau gwrdd gyda bobl eraill a'n gallu cymryd rhan yn y bywydau ehanga y byd.
It's a stuff of legacy, you know. It allows young people with a foundational experience that can't be replicated. And I don't know anywhere else that does that. So, Taith.
Do you think you could describe Taith in one word or a couple of words?
Reciprocity. It's one of my favourite words, and it just makes me think of Taith.
Evolutionary?
Revolutionary?
Yeah.
Or
and evolutionary, like evolving as a person, yeah.
Fun.
Phenomenal.